everyone, welcome back to Jubara. It's Barb, and today I put some cleaning motivation together for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm sorry I have not been here in a while. I have been not feeling well, but I'm back to myself almost, and so I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, then please feel free to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and leave a comment down below. So here's just a little preview of what's to come. So I just wanted to take a second and talk to y'all about Simply Earth. Simply Earth is a monthly subscription box that you can get, and it's a really good price, and you get all of this stuff. This is the box that you usually get, and then every 6 months they will send you the big box where you get some extra things. So here are the recipe cards, and you can make all kinds of things with these. They have different recipes to follow. They give you the cards and all that stuff. They also have resources online where you can go and look up recipes, and it's just a really cool way to make your home smell good. You can use some of this stuff for cooking. You can use it for cleaning. It's just really cool. So, and for skincare. So anyway, Simply Earth also believes in empowering people to make a difference. That's why 13% of all Simply Earth profits goes to end human trafficking, which is probably the biggest reason why I signed up to be an ambassador for Simply Earth. So anyway, they give you all this stuff in the box, and you can go check them out. I will leave the link down below, and if you use code Jubara free, then you get a discount on that. This is the June box. Every month they have a different box for the different season, or the different, just for different months. The value of the box is $93, and it's a value for only $39. So with that said, you can get the box and they will give you a gift card for your next purchase. So anyway, I totally suggest to go check out Simply Earth. What I'm going to do today is just show y'all how I've been making a little, like, in the spray bottle, I put some in there, and sometimes I spray it on the counters and wipe them down. Sometimes I just spray it around the house, spray it on the curtains and stuff, because like I said, it's not toxic. So so with my code, you can get a $40 gift card, and it will give first time subscribers a free $40 gift card with the purchase of their first box. The gift card is not a discount on their purchase. It's actually a gift card they will receive in their email after subscribing and paying for their first box. So I just wanted to explain to y'all what that meant. And the gift card can be used for future purchases. So anyway, yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to y'all about. That's Simply Earth, and I absolutely love it. They smell amazing, like the different recipes. It's just awesome. So anyway, y'all go check out Simply Earth. I'll have it linked down below. So I'm just starting out here in the kitchen like I usually do, and as I was saying before, I have been under the weather. This was actually filmed weeks ago. I'm just now getting around to editing it. Like I said, I've been sick. I really don't want to say right now what it was. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up. If I don't talk a whole lot, it's just I'm trying to get this video done and get it out to y'all. So there might be a little more music in here than usual. But I just want you all to know that I love you all. I'm praying for you all. And I hope y'all are all doing well and all that good stuff. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning up in here, and y'all leave a comment down below and let me know how y'all are doing.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though there's overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.
To crash on until night. Shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on the rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the tables, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out all those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling
So as I said, there wasn't a lot of talking in this video, and I apologize for that. The next one will be better, I promise, and I hope I can get a whole house clean with me. I'm just now getting my energy back, so hopefully I can get it all done. As I'm sitting here talking in this microphone, I am feeling a bit overwhelmed with how my house is looking, so I think it'll be some great content for y'all. And as I said before, I'm praying for you all, and I hope you're all doing well. I love you all. Always take care of each other. Bye, guys.
Too much of emotions, sometimes I'm the light. Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Too much of emotions, sometimes I'm the light. Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Beautiful, baby. You're beautiful. What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like out you're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.